What's the meaning of barking mad? Barking mad. Barking mad.
Barking mad. Barking mad. The phrase, barking mad, is used to describe someone who is behaving in a crazy or insane manner. The origin of this expression can be traced back to the 1800s when it was common for people to keep watch dogs to protect their homes and livestock. If a dog was barking excessively, it was often seen as a sign that the animal had gone mad. The phrase has since evolved to refer to people who display erratic behavior that is reminiscent of a rabid dog. It is a colorful and evocative way of describing someone who is acting in an irrational or unpredictable manner, and has become a well-known idiom in English language.